Hey guys, it's Adam. How are you? I am in my cave and I'm doing a show and tell because I just got a new thing in the mail and I wanted to open it up in front of you. This is from Factory Entertainment and it is in fact the skull cane that James Bond is walking around with for the Day of the Dead parade in Spectre. I first saw this piece at Comic-Con about 4 years ago, when they had a booth and they had pictures of this. And I didn't know the James Bond Day of the Dead costume is a long-term desire for me. I want to make one. I have several pieces of it already assembled, but I didn't think I would ever get a super accurate mask or cane. And then Factory Entertainment had a real one of each on the floor of Comic-Con. I took a crap ton of pictures and I used the pictures of the mask to accuratize the mask that I have. That'll be a separate video. I'll show you that at some point. But the cane, the skull top cane, I just figured I would eventually sculpt it or have someone draw it and 3D print it. And then Factory Entertainment came out with it and I bought it and here it is. And I'm about to open it. I'm quite excited. I love canes. I'm a big fan of canes. And if I was born 100 years earlier, I am definitely the kind of dude who would have walked around with a swagger stick, you know, a little, yeah, that would have been my speed. That is my speed, right? Of course, I want all the accoutrements. Really, the cane that I want, the cane that I want more than any other is Zatoichi's hidden sword cane. Yeah, that's the one. And someday I will make one. But that day is not this day. I think I overshot that one. All right. I'm so glad. I had thought since it had been a few years that they were not going to come out with this replica. And yet, lo, they did. So I'm a happy camper. I believe the top end of the cane is over here because this side is heavier. And what a lovely, let's talk about the unboxing. 007 on the front, Spectre on all four sides. Yeah, it's lovely satin finish. A really nice feel to the cardboard. Ooh. Is way prettier than I thought it was going to be. Holy cow. Okay, this is number 199 of 500 pieces. This is the COA. I have a shelf that I keep all of these on. Factory Entertainment certifies the authenticity of this licensed prompt replica. Spectre, 007 and related James Bond trademarks, 1962 to 2019. Okay. Well, it just seems to be just a piece of foam and a piece of satin with a cane. Here, I want you to see what I can see. Oh, wow. Holy crap balls. That is crazy. It's hard to say. It's not quite metal. It feels like metal plated resin, but it actually could be metal that's just hollow. Wow. That is gorgeous. It looks even better here than the one they had at Comic-Con. This is a beautiful piece. Wow. That is just gorgeous. The other end, nice little detail here, a nice finer rubber tip, but, well. I've talked about swords in the past and how I don't generally like the blades of replica swords because they're usually pretty crappy. I have the same thing with canes. I buy canes for their cane toppers and often replace the entire shaft of the cane because it's usually made of some inexpensive wood. It doesn't feel like an object that has the right kind of narrative weight to me. And this will be no different. I am very likely to actually do a one-day build where I change out the shaft of this cane. However, dude, that is a Mardi Gras swagger stick. I don't want to curse. Sorry for the beep. That is a really, this is just, yeah, man. That is like, you walk around with that, you are strutting around. I mean, you know, James Bond is effectively the struttiest of the strutters. And that feels amazing. That's great. Factory Entertainment, I'm very pleased with my purchase. Thank you for making such an awesome replica. And yes, Factory Entertainment is also releasing the mask. I am going to get one of those, and I will show it to you guys on camera. Thank you guys for joining me for this very quick and dirty show and tell, but one about which I am supremely ecstatic. Yes. See you guys next time.